I had $100, no degree, no plan, but I turned it into $10,000. Here's how. No tricks, no shortcuts, just a smartphone, Wi-Fi, and spare time after work. I flipped items, made content, reinvested every dollar with intention, and little by little, it added up. In my next video, I'll show you everything I did, step by step. This isn't a get-rich-quick fantasy. It's real, repeatable, and built with discipline. Subscribe to Freedom Finances, turn on the bell, and get ready to take control of your money and your future. Because your turning point starts now.
I'm unable to create or render an audio track for you directly, but I can help craft the concept and structure of your outro music in detail. Here's an inspiring, motivational outro concept for your YouTube channel.